Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's be aware that this is the Bitcoin dominant, so it means transaction of Bitcoin are made versus all the rest of alts. So we can see that we had a very nice momentum here. Now we reach this level. As you can see, it's a very strong resistance. We kind of broke it once momentarily for 2-3 days, and after that we are back struggling. As you can see, it's a very relevant level. So could it be that now Bitcoin is going to go and get exhausted because it starts to bump. Eventually, if it doesn't really succeed and go higher, ideally go and test it for a few days, and after that can go higher. That would be amazing. If it doesn't though, well, no, we bump. Eventually, we're going to lose our intensity and we're going to drop. Now, worst case scenario is like we already start to do depleted and we don't have any energy anymore, and we're going to plunge. If we do that, maybe could be beginning of the art season, because when investors they think that maybe Bitcoin doesn't have the strength to go on anymore, maybe they're going to switch to alts, take some profits or get out, sell Bitcoin, or just invest in alts, and we're going to have our alt season, mini alt season. Now, if I go back to was it this one? Yes. Back to the bear scenario quickly. Not you. Okay, so once again, just quickly, we did a 1, 2, 3, and maybe all this is a 4. I did tell you that for the fourth wave, the ideal retracement would be into this box. That's the reason why it was very important. These levels, as you can see, we went up, and now we're losing. We're losing momentum. We're losing fields. We are back into this territory, kind of important now. Also possible that we went up so much that we're taking a rest now. Maybe move a little bit on the side and then continue to go on. If we reach out, let's say $35,000, I will say that more likely this, well, anyway, this is not a wave 4 anymore, so I'm going to discard that theory. Now, another thing is, let me see here. It could be also that we just finished this wave C, and this is the beginning of our first wave of 5 waves of the wave C. And because the way, if we did a WXY, well, the Y has 3 waves. So we did A, a B, and a C, bend on. And now we're going to do our final leg. So we're going to have 5 impulsive movement down. So this could be ongoing our first wave 1, and we're going to have another 4 wave down. And our 5th wave, ideally, we're going to make a new lower low. That could be also possible. Let's remember we have those kind of long-term uptrend, I think was on the log. Don't know what happened with that. Lost in translation, I guess. Anyway, so we just need to be aware of this possible count as well. Now, if I go back on a bullish count, we can still say that this was a 1, and we're doing A, overshooting wave B, and a C. And I think, yeah, I said maybe this is 1, 2, we finished the 3rd, we're doing the 4th, and we're going to do the 5th to complete our wave 2. Now, I know some people, they say maybe this is a third wave, but honestly it's too short, because if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, well, this can only be a wave 1 of the third wave, okay? And this is the correction of the second wave of the third wave. All right, so that should be clear enough. Now if I go on to the 1 hour, you can see that I can really nicely label a 1, 2, this would be a 3, and now we're kind of doing the 4. I honestly didn't do the Fibonacci retracement though. So I said this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so I take Fibonacci retracement and setting for wave 4. Okay, so we kind of reached the minimum retracement. Good enough, but could be better. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, B, C, for wave B maybe. And now we're doing 1, 2. Honestly, I would prefer if we didn't finish this fourth wave, and that we just did this was the A, this was the A, B, C for the wave B, and this would be the 1, 2, and let me change here. And ideally, you know, just this would be the just 1, 2, and we're going to do the 3, the 4, and ideally even reach the 0.382 if we can. That would be the best correction, more reliable, and then after that we can do our fifth wave. That would be the best, in my opinion anyway. Alright, so this is pretty much all. As you can see, on the 1 hour chart, the RSI is kind of flat, dead. Let's go see on the 4 hours. So we were oversold and we had some regain of levels here. We're positive momentum, but the most important one, once again, is the daily. Daily is still going lower. Now we start to have we start to be a little bit less negative in momentum. Let's see how it goes. For a moment, I would say that yeah, if we can make a nicer correction, a better structured one, it would be much better for further price action analysis also and structure, and yeah, it would be the best. All right, so this is all for Bitcoin for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.